Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizla Fitri. My student number is 196300067 and my class is Chemistry C. I will present about example of chemical reaction in everyday life. Number 1 is photosynthesis. Reactant for the reaction is carbon dioxide plus water and help sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. Photosynthesis occurs in the leaf of the plants. Number 2 is aerobic cellular respiration. Reactant for the reaction is glucose plus oxygen and produce carbon dioxide plus water and energy is ATP. Aerobic cellular respiration is process photosynthesis to produce energy, which is in the photosynthesis cannot produce energy, and glucose for produce photosynthesis process to make energy in aerobic cellular respiration. Number 3 is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is produce energy without oxygen, which is glucose in the reaction is reactant. And anaerobic respiration usually happens in muscle when we do sport or activity in a long time, and also happens in yeast and bacteria to make fermentation. Number 4, combustion. Combustion is produce energy with combustion energetic molecule. Combustion is exothermic reaction, and combustion in this case does not necessarily mean fire. When it does, a flame is characteristic of the reaction, and produce for combustion is water, carbon dioxide, and energy. Example for combustion is combustion for propane, which is found in gas grills and some fireplace. Number 5 is rust. Rust is oxidation reaction. Usually happens in iron contact with oxygen and water in open space, and will be easily exposed to rust. Number 6 is metathesis. Metathesis is reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Produce some of them is carbon dioxide, which is can occur bubble, and it help to make baked is good rice. And number 7 is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is reaction redox in galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. Electrochemistry change chemical energy to electrical energy, which is example is battery. And product reaction for electrochemistry Zn plus Cu2 plus and Zn2 plus Cu. Number 8, digestion. Digestion related to enzyme that convert our food into energy that the body can absorb. And hydrochloric acid in your stomach react with food to further break it down, while enzyme cleave protein and fat so they can be absorbed into your bloodstream through the walls of the intestines. Number 9, acid-base reaction. For example, this reaction is acid chloride plus calcium hydroxide to and produce calcium chloride. In this case, calcium chloride is salt and produce water. Acid-base reaction happen whenever you combine an acid, example vinegar, lemon juice, sulfuric acid, with a base, example baking soda, soap, ammonia. You are performing an acid-base reaction. Number 10, soap and detergent reaction. Soap and detergent clean by way of chemical reaction. Soap emulsive, cream, and detergent act as surfactant. Soap as a emulsive can suspend oil or dirty so that can be removed, and detergent as surfactant. Surfactant lower the surface tension of water so that making it wetter and more likely interact with oil and greases. And number 11, cooking. Cooking use heat to cause chemical change in food. So taste in food, also one of them caused chemical reaction. Okay, for context in this text, maybe I agree because chemical reaction always happen in everyday life, and maybe chemical reaction many more in everyday life. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.